In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center a table in an Outlook email. Whether you're crafting a professional message or just want to make sure your formatting looks spot on, centering tables can give your emails a polished and organized appearance. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Microsoft Outlook. If you're navigating through your desktop, locate the Outlook icon and give it a click. Alternatively, if you're using a web browser, type in the appropriate Outlook URL and hit enter. Once you've arrived at the Outlook sign-in page, direct your gaze to the top right of your screen and find the sign-in button. Click it to proceed to the next step. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Input those carefully, making sure there are no accidental typos. Then hit enter to log into your account. With access granted, you'll find yourself on the Outlook homepage where you're ready to compose a new email. To start writing a new message, locate and click on the New Mail button. Doing this will open a fresh email draft ready for your input. Here's where the fun begins. Look for the Insert option in the menu, which is typically located towards the top of your email composition window. Selecting this will allow you to access various elements you can incorporate into your email. Next, among the options presented, click on Table. This step will bring up a grid that allows you to choose the dimensions of the table you wish to insert. Take a moment to decide on the size that best fits your needs. Keep in mind the information you plan to display. Once you've selected the appropriate size, click on the grid and the table will automatically be added to the body of your email. Now you might notice that by default your table might not be centered just yet. To fix this, you'll need to highlight the entire table. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor across the table, ensuring all its contents are selected. With the table highlighted, turn your attention to the top of the email window once more and click on Format Text. This menu houses a variety of formatting tools to help you customize your email's appearance. Look for the Align section within this menu and click on the Align Center option. And just like that, your table is perfectly centered within your email. Now, your email is not only informative but visually appealing and ready to send out professionally. By following these steps, you ensure that your email stands out and your information is presented clearly and effectively. Thanks for watching, and remember, neat, well-formatted emails are just a few clicks away.